Welcome to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you this drawing. Okay. In this drawing, there are the lot of you will learn how to tangent this arc. Okay, and then how to draw this circular part. Okay. So let's start. First, you will take a short screen. Okay. This drawing. This is the exercise number 8. Okay, so take a short screen, it's fine. Okay, and then I will start to cryoparametry, how to draw this. Okay, first select any plane, then click on sketch. Okay, then if you want to hide this plane, you hide. Okay, and then shift mouse middle button and then rotate. Okay, and then draw the first two circle. First is here, okay, and then second is here. Okay, and then mouse middle button 2 times click for command exit process. Okay, and then define these two circles. First circle and then second circle is here. Okay, so defined first circle, outer circle radius is 18.1. Okay, so take a 18.1 into 2. Okay, into 2, and then this inside radius is 9.1. Okay, 9.1 to 2. Okay, and then distance is 45. So define this distance is 45. Okay, overall distance is 90. If you want to this way, 90.7 divide by 2. Okay, this way, and then same is here. Okay, so how to apply the mirror? First you need to take a center line, so click on the center line here. It is the very important in a when you apply the mirror command. Okay, so select this both circle, control, then select this circle with the help of control, and then click on the mirror and then select the line. Okay, this way your circle will be copy opposite side. This is the use of mirror command. Okay, then let's see next. Draw a one circle here. Be careful, this is the when you draw this circle, radius is same here, r, see there, radius is same. So if your circle radius is same, so you will click here, otherwise you click this way. Okay, and then this also represent the r edge also, but you need to this way. Okay, and then outside the command, click here, select, and then define this both circle. Inner radius is 5.5 into 2. Okay, and then outer radius is 11.1. Okay, 11.1 shift star into 2. Okay, this way. Okay, so one concern is height is center to height. Okay, so first draw, otherwise First define this circle center to center. Okay, so 104, see here 104. Okay, 104 is the center to center distance. Okay, so take a 104 104.8. okay, this way, one by one defined. Okay, and then draw a arc, 3-point arc. Okay, first draw here and then here, the upside arc. Okay, upward arc. Okay, then zoom fit and then take another arc, click here and then here. This arc is inside. Okay, this way, and then apply the tangent, go through tangent in a constant feature, and then select first line with the help of control, and then second line. Your line is a tangent. Okay, this way, and then adjust your arc. Okay, this way. This drawing arc radius is not given, so take any dimension. Okay, and then how to apply tangent? Here, click, control press, and then select outer. Okay, this way, tangent. And then how to mirror? Apply, select first line with the help of control, then second line, then go to mirror, and then select the center. Okay, I think this line is not selected, that's why it's not mirror, so select again. Okay, this way your line is mirror. Or once one line is rest, so right click here and then click on the line. This way we will also take a line. Okay, this is the new technique, and then select here. Okay, and then this distance is also already defined. Okay, so no need to define. If you want to define 90.75. okay, zoom fit and then take a outer circle. Outer circle is a center, so draw a circle here, draw another way, and then outer circle dia is 78.6, so define the 78.6. Okay, this way. And then how to draw the construction line? So go through the construction mode, click on the line and the circle, and then your construction mode is on. Okay, this way. And this construction line dimension is, I think, 58.5. so draw a 58.5, this 58.5. Okay, this way. Adjust your dimension and then apply the zoom fit. Okay, walk step by step, so you easily draw and be patient. If you draw any diagram, you need to be patient. Okay, so execute this command and then execute this construction mode and then take a circle. Okay, and then So zoom fit is applied, and this inner circle is I think 11.1. Okay, so click here 11.1, shift into star into 2, so for multiplication. Okay, okay, and then this, and then 58.5, 78, okay, 58.50, okay. So uh, this drawing is completed. Okay, so this way, and if you want to draw this inner component, so we will start. Okay, nice. So draw this way. So your work, if you try, I will apply only one this, and then you will try. Okay, this way, apply the rectangle, and then this way. Okay, and then take a center rectangle. Okay, and then move this, add this dimension all. Okay, so how to move this? Yeah, how to rotate this? So select this, this, and this, and then go through the rotation, and then apply here 45 angle. Okay, this way. Okay, your circle, and this, if you want to rotate this, select first, second, and then third, and then apply the rotate. Okay, this way you will represent, and then draw a, apply this coincident. Okay, first point and this point, this point, this is a coincident, first point, and then this point. This way. Okay, and then draw a circle. Okay, so your work, try to solve this problem. So this way you will create here. Okay, then draw a circle here, middle circle, this way. Okay, and then continuously draw here to fit, and then take one circle is rest, draw here, zoom out, and then draw, take a circle. Okay, and then one is also rest, and then zoom fit, and then select all circle, and then apply equal. Okay, this way. Okay, and then define your circle. Okay, and one rectangle is also rest, so take a this way. Okay, and then equal. Okay, this rectangle distance is a 6, so apply 6. So select on, and this dimension is 6. Okay, so 6, 6. Okay, and then draw another 2 circle this way. Okay, and then here, and then remove this inner part. Okay, draw a circle where radius is 16.1 here. This dimension, so 16.1 into 2. Okay, and then rest of remove. Okay, then remove this inner part. This way. Okay, and then to here. I think you need to draw this way. Okay, so try to solve this problem. Okay, otherwise I will solve. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Okay.